GFA held its AGM on 27th of July, wherein I had asked whether the registration of GFA with Inspector General of Societies is valid or not. I was told it will be re-registered within a week. Registration will be done within a week. I waited. Thereafter, I gave a press conference where I raised certain issues. At that time, one of the office bearer called me guessing bag and street side child. Fair enough. I don't want to respond to that. But then I filed a RTI application before the Inspector General of Societies and asked pertinent questions. One, give me copy of the registration certificate. He says, given the registration is renewed up to 11/6/2025. We are 2 months thereafter, still the registration is not renewed. I don't know whether a body which has no valid registration can conduct business, call its AGM and conduct business. This is not permissible as per law. Second thing I asked is, give me the copy of the constitution, the statutes and the rules and regulations which are in force as on date and according to which GFA is required to conduct its business. He gave me copy of the constitution which is of 77. And this constitution, now it is in force till date, clearly says the election, the tenure of the elected managing committee is 2 years. And election shall be held every second year or on the third Sunday of July. So the AGM which was held on 27th of July this year should have been held to conduct elections for electing a new managing committee of GFA. Now this present managing committee has overshot its tenure by almost 10 months. They are illegally occupying the positions, taking major decisions, administrative and financial, without any legal base, without any legal authority, without competence. This amounts to criminal offence. I have told the GFA executive committee members who are there today to resign immediately because of this, or within a grace period of 7 days, failing which I will move for further legal action. I have also cautioned the General Secretary and the staff of GFA not to place any matter before the present executive committee for decision, failing which they will be considered as accomplices and facilitators of these illegalities. I have also informed the AIFF of the illegal functioning of the present managing committee of GFA. If all this doesn't get me result, I am ready to move to AFC thereafter, give them a period of 7 days to act, and if they don't act, I will even move forward to CAS, okay, to get justice.